This is the way I make stewed chicken or pollo guisado. I like to use cold water and some white vinegar. And I like to keep messing with it until the water runs clear. I'm doing this one hand, so might not get too good of a shot. The mustard is also optional. You know, that might make a lot of people cringe. Soy sauce. Okay, now I'm gonna add some black pepper. Again, I'm using one hand, so hope I record good. Some garlic powder. And I don't measure anything. Some chicken bouillon powder. You could use cubes too. Yeah, sounds good. Yes, more. Now, if you're Dominican, you'll be cooking this on this exact pot. But if you're like me, you'll be cooking it in this pot instead. Okay. Cool. It's nice and crispy. Well, not crispy, but got some nice color. Cook it uncovered so we get some nice color. I added just a little bit of water to this. Leftover seasoning. And then I'm gonna cover it. I'm gonna bring down the heat to about there, maybe there. Let it simmer for about 30 minutes. So there's about 10 minutes left. 10 minutes. And I just want to move it around. Get the lighter sides towards the bottom to get some more color. This is what we ended up with. So tender I could cut it with a spoon. The great thing about this recipe is you can add your own seasonings and it'll still come out just as juicy and just as tender. Enjoy.